Yo. One Blood, Junior Reid, Mr. Loverman, Shabba Ranks, Strive, and The Real Rock by Shinehead. Barry Salmon putting up resistance, and of course, one and only original Gold Teeth Don Gargan, Ninja Man with Murder Them.
You know, Mikey made the point about feeling important and our this monetization of the dancehall culture, the dancehall artist, the dancehall patron. I think nobody exemplified that as a DJ better than Ninja Man. You know, has had his issues, but
Whole heap.
in terms of his ability to turn a dance on its head, to turn a stage show, right? Nobody had the. I mean, ultimately, he would have met his match down the road. But certainly at this time that he came, Ninja Man. In fact, I heard Elephant Man on a video talking about his introduction to Ninja Man. He said, Shabba took him to this venue and tell his mother, say, listen, me I carry your son go somewhere and thing. And say, Elephant Man, so when him go, Ninja Man walk out with about 40,000 gold chain around the neck. Him have a marina, a red, green and gold marina. And him dancehall style pants. But just a marina with a felt hat and him bandana thing we always wear around the head. And him say, Ninja Man come out on the stage. And he stood up on the stage for about a good 60 seconds. In a dancehall environment, 60 seconds
A very
of
long
silence
time.
is a long, long time. And him said the crowd, the place carked to the roof, and everybody is waiting for Ninja Man. Because, you know, and then him said Ninja Man opened him out. I can't remember the lyrics, right? But him said when Ninja Man opened him out, the place tear down. And him say, Elephant Man, choke him man in the air. He said, Jesus, this me want to be. He said, there can be no other career for me than what that brother Yaawd, right? Such was the influence or the impact of a Ninja Man. And Elephant Man is just
Yeah, but
one.
you can't mention Ninja. You hear me?
Yes, yeah. Oh, Mikey is back with us.
We're not seeing this video, though.
Yes, Mikey.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, we're having a little technical difficulty here, but we soon resolve that. But the point though, Elephant Man made the thing. He said when he saw Ninja Man, you right? That was the impact he had, and he made the decision there and then that this is what he wanted to be. I know Mikey is gonna be adding. Yeah.
So Ninja Man represent what one of the things that attack. Same thing that happened in track and field, where you have mentors, you have coaches and things. His coaches and mentors were the people and the sound system. Those were ahead of him. The sound system brought that level of confidence in a Son, in a Stitchy, in a Josie Wales, in a
Ninja.
Charlie Chaplin, in a
Admiral
Ninja,
Daly.
in a
Shabba.
Supercat. Exactly. Because it was not out. You know, when you by the time you had a hit song in a sound system, you had probably performed that song a couple times to a lot of people, and you were working 4 days a week, right? So
Right.
you're understanding audiences, you're comfortable with audiences, you're comfortable with rhythm, and you kind of know what it is. If you're the handsome, you work on it. If you're the ugly, you work on it, you use it. And them was using everything. So I mean, of course, you have the exceptional ones like the Ninja Mans, and they were constantly pushing the envelope as to what them could have said and what them could have do. But what is lacking and what is still lacking now in the performances and the performers is the absence of that training school, that training ground, that place where them can go hone them skill. And until we find a way to bring that back into the music, the performances are going to get worse and worse and worse. Trust me.
So let me understand you, Mikey, because
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yaawdmedia.com where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, Pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.